Hey everybody, this is Diana. We found out this is a girl, not a boy. She's doing really well on her first day. She's not eating yet. She hasn't drank any water yet. She's been pooping a lot. It's mostly scared poops. But as you can see, look at her. She's so cute. Alright, so what I'm going to try to do here is I'm going to try really hard to bond with her and see how she does with bonding. Let's see. What will she do if I put my hand on the cage? That doesn't seem to bother her. But she's panting. As you can see, she's panting. She's a little upset. We don't want to upset her too much tonight. So what we're going to do is we're just going to let her be for right now. We got her some toys. A couple of toys. One that's chewable. And one that's not. One that she can just... Oops. That scared her a little bit. I'm sorry, baby girl. She likes bells, is what I found out. She likes bells a lot. And taming her is going to be a little bit easier. But I'm going to be working with her for a few weeks. Seeing about trying to calm her down a little bit. And that's her right there, as you can see. She's the only bird I've got. No birds around here other than her. And they clipped her wings, as you can see. Let me see if I can open up the cage door real quick for her. Whoopsies. Her wings are clipped. She's watching me now. She's watching me hardcore. She's like watching me like a hawk. So if I try to reach my hand in for any reason, I'm just going to put my hand right here to start. Just going to gradually move my hand closer. Alright, she's doing really good with that. This is her food. This is her water dish. I'm going to get her a bigger cage on the first. And I'm going to work with getting her steel bowls instead of plastic ones because, you know. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Diana. Diana. It's okay, baby girl. It's okay. It's okay. See, I'm just Focusing the camera on her. Oop, didn't mean to startle you. Just gonna wiggle my fingers around her for a little bit. Oh, she's upset now. She's upset. Then we just slowly take a hand out because she freaked out a little bit. Hand is no longer present in the cage and she's still freaking out a little bit. This is normal. She's calming down. All right, let's try this again, okay? This time I'm only putting the tips of my fingers in so she can see them. She can see them. I'm not sticking my hand all the way in. I'm just slowly removing my hand. Very good. Good girl. I don't have any millet for her. I wish I did. I think when I get millet for her, that's when we're going to really start training. Alright, so that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, put a like on the video. If you didn't, oh well. Subscribe and hit the like button and make sure you hit the notification bell for more videos like this. I'll see you guys later. Bye.